Hello everyone, hi. The lighting might be a little bad. If you're new here to my channel, I'm Giselle and I am obviously cleaning my room. Many of you guys, if you guys follow me on Instagram, have seen that I have remodeled my room. It used to be like warmer. It was like an orangey peach color and I was over it and there was like a wall peeling, like the paint was peeling off the wall and it looked really ugly. So I remodeled my whole room and now it's like a cooler toned lighter gray. And I put some like wooden frames over here, as you can tell. This is where like my bed is at. Let me just give you a little quick glance. It's a little messy because I'm putting stuff on the bed so I can clean my Alex drawers and everything. So that's what's going on here. And then you can see like I put some lamps there because they're usually right here on my table. That's like my lighting. I don't have like a mirror with lights. So I just have like a little lamp next to my mirror to like do my makeup. But that's why I'm just making sure everything is nice and de-dusted. How do you say that? I'm just dusting off all of the polvo that's on my makeup counter. That looks really ugly, so I need to have a clean space to think clear things and just to feel good. I don't like it when my room looks cluttered. I don't feel good or happy, so that's what I'm doing right now. And I decided to show you guys. I'm almost done with this part. I just need to do my sister's side, which if you guys don't know, I do share a room with my sister. You know, I kind of help her clean her side sometimes, or sometimes she helps me clean the whole thing. So we just take turns. And if the lighting is really off, I'm very sorry. I'm trying my best. I don't have any windows on this side of the room, only this one window. So it's working against me, literally. I'm gonna start cleaning and you guys can just watch. Okay, so what I cleaned my vanity with is some Windex and some paper towels. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to clean it, but I mean, it's worked for me. This desk is from IKEA, and at the beginning I didn't have the glass on top. It doesn't come with glass, so I had to make it, like I had to order it with a company here where I live, but it got stained and everything, so that's why I needed a glass protector because it just got really ugly fast. Like on my side, it kind of like chipped, you see? And IKEA furniture, it doesn't withstand a lot, so it damaged pretty quickly, so that's why I put some glass on top of it. And it comes with two drawers like this. So this is my side and this is my sister's. And then over here we have the 9 drawer from IKEA as well. I already cleaned mine. I just have to clean my sister's. We share both. So like most of my stuff is in here. Like look at this is a mess. This has eyelashes and like some cords for some like phone stuff. And then this one has like a bunch of my jewelry. Most of my jewelry though is on here. Like on here too. It's kind of everywhere. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean this side. Okay, I changed my shirt just to state the obvious because I know you guys are like, hey, what happened to your shirt? So I got hot, so this is an Amazon shirt actually. It's like a Comfort Colors tee. They're really comfy. It's a size large. Definitely recommend if you guys want something nice and comfy. So I already took off everything and my sister's taking off the dust off her stuff while I clean her drawers. So again, I wiped everything down with like Windex. And usually everything comes off, like the makeup that is on her drawers. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the stuff that's on my Alex 9 drawer. Usually I have like my tray of perfume and some jewelry, so I'm gonna show you guys that. And if you guys want, I can give you guys a little tiny perfume collection update. These are some roses from like the bouquets that my boyfriend has gotten me. I just let them dry. This tiny violin and some little tiny travel perfumes. And my boyfriend got me some Tabasco because I love Tabasco. And this plate, I honestly think I got it from like Walmart or TJ Maxx or something like that. I just think it looks very elegant when you display your perfume on stuff like this. So I'm gonna squirt some Windex. So this is where I keep it. Let me see if I can turn on the light so you guys can see. The first perfume, it's pretty bulky. This one my mom got from the Middle East. I don't really know what it's called, like the brand, but I know it's called 1000 Nights. It smells pretty good. And this is my newest perfume. I'm in love with it. This is the YSL Libre. This one's the intense one. It's the darker liquid color one. This one's like my favorite after shower perfume. It's like gardenia. Okay, and this one is really old, as you can tell. Like, it's all not the same color anymore. This is Gucci Guilty. Okay, this one is also a great one. It's by Chanel. It's their Chance line, and this one is like the yellowish peach colored, because they have like a pink color one, a green one, and this one's my favorite out of all of them. And I have a tiny Gucci Bloom perfume because my mom got the bigger one and this one came with it, and I love it. It smells very similar to this one by Walmart. Actually, it's not a Walmart perfume. It's called Jovan, but it's all rubbed off because I use it all the time, but it smells identical to it. So this one's just a very inexpensive one, and this is obviously a little more pricey. And then this one I bought the same time as the YSL perfume. It's a Jo Malone. It's like a gender neutral perfume. Either woman or man can wear it. And it's the Dark Amber and Ginger Lily Cologne Intense. It smells quite different from anything else I've ever smelled. It has like a very sweet note, and then later it smells kind of like a man cologne, but I really like it. It's very different to my collection. And then this one is a very OG perfume, and it's sadly discontinued, like this formula, this scent, because now they have a newer one and my sister has it, but this Dior no longer makes this exact scent. Like, I think it's altered a little bit, or like the packaging is different, something like that. They do have different color liquids of this perfume, but this one is from like 2013, so it's the old version, and it smells very different from the newer one they came out with. So I just try to hold on to it, even though I know they go bad. But as long as you keep them in a very dark area, not near the sun, which, you know, it's kind of hard because I want to keep them here. You just have to be careful with the sun so it doesn't like make your perfume go bad. So just keep that in mind. And then for my travel perfumes, I have like a Tiny C Giorgio Armani perfume. This one's really, really nice. I hope to buy the full version. I've actually had this for a lot longer than I thought this would last me. There's some eyelash glue on that, ew. So anyway, this perfume is really, really strong. It's a very pungent perfume, so that's why I'm only halfway through, because you only need a little rub on the wrist and that's it, and you smell like it. And then I have some of the Dior perfume in here. I have some Daisy perfume, some Chloe, what else? Marc Jacobs perfume in there. This one is a Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. My mom has this perfume, like the full size, but I don't think I like it that much for me to purchase the big high heel perfume. So I'm going to put some roses around it. My violin over here. Let me show you guys an up close. And then I also have this little piece back here. I don't know where I got it from, honestly. It's been such a long time. But that's where I keep all of my stud earrings and stuff like that. And then like I have my Dior little bracelet my boyfriend got me. And then I have some earrings in here that tarnish really easily, so I keep them in this little plastic baggie. And then I have some of my diamond earrings in this little dusty Louis Vuitton bag. It's a little embarrassing. Okay, so that's where I keep them. And I have some necklaces here that are very dainty, and I don't like storing them in bolsas because then they get tangled. But the issue is that they tarnish super easily. Like, for example, this one that I got from TJ Maxx. Ya se me hizo todo negro. It's like all dark. So I need to clean it. So this is what I use to clean my jewelry. Excuse like how dirty they look, but this is the brand that I use. My mom gets them from like a jewelry store, I think, but this one's for gold jewelry and then this one's for silver, obviously. So I just dunk them in there and they come out looking brand new. And then I put this little bar that I have with all my watches. Now, I used to have a phase where I would wear a watch every single day, but honestly, I just don't ever wear them as much. But yeah, guys, when I'm showing this collection of jewelry of mine, in no way, shape, or form am I trying to show off. If you guys know me personally, you guys, I hope you know that I don't ever intend to put anything on my YouTube videos to show off or to brag about anything. I'm super grateful and I never want you guys to think that about me. I'm just showing you because I personally love it when people show their collections, tell me the story behind it. I'm all about that. I'm very nosy too. So I just tell you guys what I think I would like to hear from other YouTubers. So if you don't like that and you get offended, then this video is not for you, okay? Alright, just wanted to put that out there. And I'm going to show you guys the drawer where I also keep some other jewelry. So it looks really hectic in here, but I know where I have everything. In here, I have most of my hoops, like bigger stuff that can't fit on that little stud thing. So in here, I have some thinner hoops. These are my golden hoops, or like some random tortoise ones I have in there. These are some silver ones. Some crazy ones that have like flowers or gems. This one are like more like tasseled looking earrings. And then my gold chain from Miranda Frye. I keep it right here. And then here's the baggie that Miranda Frye sends you when you purchase something from them. Which, by the way, I love Miranda Frye. I just purchased my first chain. This is a Julia chain. I love it so much. If you guys don't support Julia Evans, you guys should. I love her so much. So this is an amazing chain. And let me show you. The one I'm wearing right now is also from Miranda Frye. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak. So this one is more shorter than the Julia chain, and I like to layer them sometimes together. But this one is like a hang. I forgot what this design is called, but I'll try to look it up and leave a link for you guys so you guys can check them out. Yeah, but then I have a bunch of these like jewelry baggies. So if I go out, I like put my jewelry in here and you know, they're nice and protected. And in this little random bag, I have like this is really random, but it's very helpful when I try to buy rings. It's a bunch of these little plastic ring sizing thingies. I got them when I graduated, and they wanted to see like what size ring I would get for graduation, which I ended up not buying one. But this is how I measure my fingers if I ever want to buy a ring. My mom actually got me my Cartier ring when I graduated. That's the story behind it. And then in the inside it says like Gigi, which is my nickname, and the year I graduated. These two go over here. So this is the Cartier box that my ring came in. It's a little dusty, Lord. So I put that back here. And I put my Tabasco on top. I'll put that there. Over here, this is a jewelry box from Italy that my neighbor got me. She was very sweet. She passed away, but she was like a grandma to me. I keep like a little confetti thing from an Ariana Grande concert. I know, I'm crazy. And then in here I have like a little, I don't know how they're called in English, but in Espanol se dice camofeos, I think, right? If I'm not correct, please correct me down below. But I have another one in here. I had a thing for them when I was younger. Okay, last but not least, I have this little jewelry box. It says my name on top, but this is where I keep all of my rings. This ring up here was my mother's, and then this one, fun fact, I was obsessed with jewelry when I was younger. No shocker, right? But this one I used to wear every single day, and it's really tiny, so I plan on giving that to my daughter in the future if God gives me a daughter. So I keep that in there. It's very special to me. And then I have my pearl ring there. And then these two rings, they're so pretty. They're from Amazon. I know. They're so nice for the quality. They were less than like 50 bucks. They don't tarnish. Ooh! I've had them for a little bit longer than like a month, and they haven't tarnished, which, look at this one. I've had it for a while now, but I remember the first month it's already started turning like black. So this one's from Express, and then these are from Amazon. I'll try to leave a link so you guys can purchase them. But yeah, I have some other rings, like this one, this chain one my mom got from Amazon. And then this one is a Pandora ring. I have another ring my mom gave me. This one. And then this one my mom also gifted me. It has a letter G for my name. Now that's like a little gist of what's going on here, okay? And then now I'm gonna take care of this desk over here. I eventually want to take these tables out. I've had them for as long as I can remember, but I really want some with drawers because I like to hide a lot of things because I don't like it to look cluttered, but I really don't have a lot, you know? I have hand cream, a picture of me and my boyfriend, and then like my AirPods, some chaps, you know, the essentials. But you know, if I had a drawer, I could hide all this stuff and just keep like cute little things on top. But that is later, because you know, I don't know how much longer I'll be in this room, so that's why that's just an idea. This candle, though, is from Target, I think. My best friend Susan gave it to me for my birthday, so thank you, Susan. and some tissue boxes because I always cry. I'm gonna clean this table real quick, okay? Okay, so this is what the layout is on my table. Try to keep it simple, not so cluttered looking. And let me take off this light. I'm sorry about this lighting. It's really not the best, but I'm trying to work with what I have and keep it casual. I decided to give you like an overall view of my room. So when you first enter, there's like my vanity and excuse the Dyson and the ring light. So this is like the overall layout. I do share the room again, like I said, with my sister. So this is her side and then that's my side. And I try to keep it as clean as I can. My room is really small, so I try to keep everything kind of looking not so cluttered, but like I also am really extra. And then for the closet, this is our closet. We share it as well. We used to have doors, right? But they actually came off the hinges. So I just decided to put curtains because, I mean, it doesn't look too bad, you know? And it matches the wall. Honestly, it was just a lot easier to put cortinas en vez de poner las puertas again. And I mean, it's just been like this forever, so. And I have the same curtains over there on my window. But yes, this is how my room looks like. I absolutely love how it turned out. And again, if I haven't said like where something is from, just comment in the video and I'll tell you guys, and I'll try to help you guys find whatever you guys are trying to like get. And I'll try to like leave the links of like the things I said before. And like my bed frame is actually from Walmart. It's just like the bed frame and I just put it against the wall. And then the tables, honestly, I don't know where they're from. Got them a long time ago. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed my little room tour slash jewelry collection slash perfume collection. I don't know, it's just a vlog just to say hi. I haven't been on my YouTube channel in such a long time and I missed you guys a lot, and I'm trying to put content where it's like I am genuinely being myself, or you guys feel like you're my friend. I hope I come off relatable to you guys because I love it when I watch people who are more relatable and more like laid back videos. So if you like that type of stuff, let me know. Let me know if you like the direction I'm going with my YouTube channel, because I'm not really into makeup videos as much as I used to be. Don't get me wrong, I love makeup, that's my passion, but you know. And if you like makeup or beauty, lifestyle, anything, just follow me on my Instagram. I'll leave it on the screen. I have two Instagrams. I have one where it's more personal, and then my other one is my beauty page, where I put my clients, because I'm also a freelance makeup artist, so maybe you guys can follow me and we can become best friends. And yeah, don't forget to like the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.